Question 8 on your cumulative review formative looks at using the vertical line test to determine if a relation is a function. So remember the definition of function is that for every input there's only one output. The vertical line test tests this in graph. So basically it says that if you draw any vertical line on the graph, that it will only touch the graph at one point. And if it touches at more than one point, then it is not a function. So on this first graph, we can see that anywhere we draw a vertical line, it's not going to touch more than one point. So basically no two x values have the same, or no 2 points have the same x value. So yes, this relation is a function. On the second graph, however, we can see that this vertical line touches twice. This point is 2, 1, and this point is 2, -2. For the input 2, there are two different outputs, which means that this is not a function. Same thing for this graph. There's several different vertical lines we can draw. As an example of this one, let's move that over just a tad so that it's on that line at -2. So if we move that over, we see that this touches at the point -2, 1.75. That's an estimate, of course. And -2, -1.75, also an estimate. But regardless, for -2, the input, there are two different outputs. So this is not a function. So remember, when you're looking at graphs of a function, if you draw any vertical line and it touches the graph more than once, then it's not a function.